Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because I'm uploading every single day in September and it's not one to be missed, just like today's video. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Ted Baker advent calendar. I got this from Boots for £46 and it just opens up like this, as you can tell. I'm actually going to do this one flat because I know that the boxes are going to fall when I open it anyway. But yeah, it retails for £46 and there's 24 days inside. So each day is worth £1.91p. So let's see whether it's worth the money I just spent on it. I'm going to snap that because it's going to annoy me. So starting with day number 1, I absolutely love, by the way, like Ted Baker shower gel. So I'm really hoping that there's a lot of body stuff in here. And we're starting off strong. This is the Violet and Bergamot Body Souffle in 50ml. And then this is just what it looks like. Oh, smells unbelievable. The reason I absolutely obsessed with Ted Baker stuff is, one, it's kind of a bit sentimental because my nana used to buy me the little gift sets of it for Christmas, and obviously you know she passed away a couple of years ago. I still have some of the Ted Baker sprays from the last Christmas that she was with us that I've kind of like kept to one side for like special occasions. It can sound a bit stupid, but yeah, it makes me feel like I'm with my nana. That's one of the reasons why I love the Ted Baker stuff. But the other reason is the shower gel lasts so long on the skin. I was in the gym changing room before, sounds crazy, I've definitely told this story before, and somebody complimented my perfume and I didn't have any on. I was butt naked and I just got out of the shower, and normally you can't smell like shower gel that much on me after I get out of the shower, but you could smell that and it was unbelievable. Yeah, moving on to day number 2, a little skinny one. This is the Violet and Bergamot Moisturising Eye Mask, and it's in such like a bit peculiar packaging, but it is an under eye mask and it says it's delicately scented with notes of sheer flowers, soft berries and creamy woods for a refreshing finish. So yeah, that is the little eye mask. And we have day number 3, which is a bit of a heavier one. I think this is like another body butter or something, but in like a black packaging. Yeah, this is the Rose and Cassis Body Souffle. And you can see this one is white inside. Oh, again, it smells unbelievable. The Ted Baker stuff just smells so nice. Then moving on to day number 4, which is a bit of a heavier one. What do we have? Yeah, boy, we got some body wash. This is the Raspberry and Orange Blossom body wash. This is a 50ml. Oh, smells unbelievable. Unbelievable. So that's 3 different scents that we've had so far. Then moving on to day number 5. Oh, this one looks like makeup. Yeah, we have a eyeshadow quad. So it has Champagne Shimmer, Matte Peach, Glitter and Rose Gold, and Matte Mocha. Ooh, that actually is a really nice, like, everyday eyeshadow palette. That'd be so nice when I'm going to London for work. And then this is just what it looks like. It's definitely got more depth to it, as you can see here. This is more true to the colour than when I held it up to the camera. We have a long skinny one for day number 6. Looks like another makeup product. Oh, we have a mascara. Let's have a look at the wand. So this is just what the mascara looks like. A very like small wand, which I actually prefer sometimes because I think sometimes if you have like a massive wand, I end up getting it everywhere. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what that's like. We have oh, I really hope this is another body wash. We have another big one. This one's for number 7. Oh, so we have a body lotion to match the body wash. This is the Raspberry and Orange Blossom body lotion, and I've already smelled it, but I'm going to smell it again. Oh, it just smells so good. I think, imagine if you used the body wash with the body butter, like the body lotion afterwards. It'll just make like the scent last so much longer. Another skinny one for day number 8. We have a moisturising sheet mask, which is in that same Raspberry and Orange Blossom scent. It says it will leave your skin feeling beautifully refreshed. A pampering pick-me-up. So yeah, nice little sheet mask again. Definitely worth the price tag for that one. Day number 9 is a big one again. Ooh, doesn't move though. Oh, we actually have a soap. This is the Violet and Bergamot soap. The packaging is so stinking cute. I'm gonna pop this in the bathroom. Whip up a bubbly lather with this Violet and Bergamot fragrance soap. Look at me, I'm gonna be bougie as with my Ted Baker soap in my bathroom. Ooh, You can hear the liquid in this one. This is date number 10. I wonder if it's like a little spray. Yeah, this is a little spray. We have the Violet and Bergamot body spray. This is a 50ml. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And it's nice because I only have, the only Ted Baker sprays that I have at the moment are obviously the ones that my nana gives me. So I can actually start using this one and keep my nanas for special occasions. I even like put on the ones that my nana got me every single time I went to view a house, just in case it was that house, it was the house, but it's been a long time since I've done that. Moving on to day number 11, which is a Violet and Bergamot hand cream. Not something that I use that often. Hand creams just aren't really something that I use. I'm a bit lazy. And I also don't really like the feel of hand creams that much. But moving on to day number 12. Oh my god, we have a gorgeous nude lip gloss. This is stunning. I can pop some on now. Stop. Have you seen that pigmentation? Definitely not the right colour for my lip combo that I have on. This is more like cool compared. But absolutely stunning. So nice. And I love that it's like a universal colour that people can use. Moving on to day 13, which is like right above, but a huge one. Oh, we have some eyelash curlers. Some gold eyelash curlers. If you know me, oh, they feel a bit hard. If you know me, my favourite eyelash curlers of all time are my Show You Mary ones. The most bougiest purchase. That's definitely been worth the money since I bought them. So I'll definitely give them ones to a new home because I know I just definitely won't switch from my Show You Mary ones. And then moving on to day 14. Shake your titties. Ooh, this must be like a bath salts. I'm gonna say like a body scrub. This is the Rose in Cassis bath salts. Again, you can see them here. Oh my god, they smell insane though. Bath salts just aren't really my thing. I don't like the feeling of like bits in my bath. No, it's just not for me. So I'll be giving them to somebody else. Because they just, yeah, I just don't like that feeling of like grit in my bath, which I was off it, but I'm not a huge bath person anyway. But yeah, I don't really like bits in my bath. Then moving on to day number 15. Oh, we have a double-ended makeup brush. Personally, for me, I never use double-ended ones that much because I normally put them in a pot, so like one of them always gets squished or unused. It would have been better to have like 2 individual ones, but the quality feels quite nice. You have like well, both of them are kind of like packing on brushes, to be fair. Day 16, we have a full-size nail polish in like this gorgeous red shade. Definitely give that to a new home because I always get my nails done. Because I can't paint my nails to save my life. I get way too annoyed trying to do it. I don't have the patience. And then moving on to day 17. Ooh, we have a pair of Ted Baker tweezers, which has like a little funky design. Very happy with that. I always love a pair of tweezers in the advent calendar. For day 18, this sounds like maybe another body mist. Yes, we have the Rose in Cassis body mist. Oh, this one's more like sultry. Like I'd wear this more like as a spray all over before I go on a night out. Very, very like sexy scent, which kind of matches with the packaging, to be fair. But yeah, that is day number 18. Then we have day 19. Oh, which looks like another nail varnish. Oh, so we have cuticle oil, so I'll definitely get my use out of this. Oh my god, it's Violet and Bergamot. Ooh, it smells so nice. I'm going to pop some on now because this is definitely something that I don't do enough. Just whack it on some cuticle oil. I'm actually really happy with that because it's something that I can actually use even though I get my nails done. Something that I can make use out of. Then we're moving on to day 20, which is my happy birthday. Stop, I think it's a lipstick. It is. Oh my god, that's stunning. That's so pretty. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I'm buzzing that's a lipstick for my happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So that is day 20. Happy birthday. Day 21 is a big but light one. What's this? No, stop. What actually is that? What is it? What is it? It must be a nail. It's got to be a nail brush. It has like the full Ted Baker like little logo and everything on it. So this is going to sound bizarre because normally I'd be like, what? But Blake actually uses a nail file, one of them nail brushes, every single time he gets in from work. But it'll definitely get used, not by me, but it'll definitely get used by Blake. So yeah, that was day 21, just wasn't expecting that. Moving on to day 22. We have a nail file which matches the pattern of the tweezers. I feel like for the price, it's probably worth it because it is one of them like glass ones as opposed to the Soap and Glory Advent Calendar that I just opened, where it was like just like a normal nail file. I know I will get my use out of it, but nail files still a bit like meh for me as well. And then moving on to day 23, which is a pink one. I'm back. The dog just made the most bizarre noise ever. Like I thought he was choking. And I went to go see him and he was just like, what's up? Yeah, right. Like, what happened there? But anyways, moving on to day 23 that was like in the middle of opening. In this one we have one of them super, super soft cleansing pads. It's actually thicker than the Soap and Glory one that I've just opened. I will leave that link down below if you want to go check out the Soap and Glory unboxing. But I personally would have liked to have two in here like the Soap and Glory one was. But still, for £1.91, I'm still happy with that. And then last but not least, we have day 24, right at the bottom, the biggest one. Oh my god, it's a massive body wash. The best one ever. This is the Violet and Bergamot body wash. Stop. I honestly thought it was going to be like a big body lotion or something. Oh my god, it smells phenomenal. Honestly, if you haven't tried Ted Baker body washes, like you need to, because the staying power of them is just unbelievable. Like a little bit goes such a long way as well. I'm a bit stingy when it comes to like body washes and stuff. Like give me one that cost me £1. As long as I'm clean, I smell alright, I'm not bothered. But these just last so long on the skin. It's like a little luxury treat. This and I think this and Molten Brown are the ones that have always stood out to me the most, that like leave that scent on you. But this is so much cheaper than the Molten Brown. But yeah, that is everything that is in the Ted Baker Advent Calendar for this year. I would love to know what you think. Like, have you tried their stuff before? Is it your kind of thing? I like that there was a mix of like accessories, makeup and like bath stuff, and I'm very, very happy that it was more bath stuff, like body lotions, etc. Yeah, that is everything from this advent calendar. Now because I've bent the cardboard, it won't stay closed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Like I said, don't forget to go check out all my videos that I've been uploading for Vlogtober. I've also been uploading some shorts as well. If you really want to, please follow me on TikTok because I'm going to be uploading on there too. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you in a video very, very soon. I love you so much and I thank you so much. And I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye!